here tonight. We also have some other awards that we wanted to give to other team members, but that's going to happen next week. We had some funny awards that we were going to give out, but after the bad taste yesterday, we decided no, that was inappropriate. So,
Madara.
Ironic, the Australians are the English.
the award that we have tonight is for GRRT Best Player of the Year. And this award goes to a person. The award is actually democratically voted for, so it's not, the decision's not made by George or anybody else. Everybody votes on this position. The winner of this award tonight is well loved by everybody in the team. They're a great team player, obviously. They get involved in everything that we possibly want to do. They're enthusiastic. And the name of the person is...
Me.
Wait for it. I've forgotten the name. Hang on. There it is. Amanda. I have a little award here. I wanted to actually have a crystal slipper. Because we've already got one person who's getting married, and so I thought, no, we won't get another slipper. We'll get it for the vase itself. So, congratulations.